This video is to show you how to use 4 separate eyeshadow colors. Worth Every Peony, Desert Rose, Rose Hips Don't Lie, and Raisin Hell. Now my rule of thumb is, if the color has shimmer in it, it's only for your eyelid, and matte colors go in the crease. So I've already applied my eye base and my brow lift. Now I'm putting on Worth Every Peony because it has shimmer all the way across my lid. It's a very light nude pearlescent white-based pink. And you apply all lid colors with the lid brush. Now I'm moving over to Desert Rose with the crease brush. I apply this in between the eyeball and the brow bone, going up a little bit higher towards the brow lift on the outer portion of the eye. As you can see, I have a very hooded lid, and I love this color. It's one of my favorite because it makes it look like I had a bluff, aka Spanx for the eyes. When you compare one eye to the next, you can definitely see how this gives me more shading in the crease, making my eyelids look less puffy and less saggy. If you're wanting a quick daytime look, Worth Every Peony and Desert Rose look great by themselves. From here, you would move to eyeliner and mascara, and then you're done. But I'm not done here, so I'm applying Rose Hips Don't Lie with the corner brush. I'm applying it right to the outer corner of my eye and then up into the crease just a little bit. If you want, you can take your crease brush and blend it out so everything looks nice and smooth. But you can definitely tell the difference between this eye and this eye. It's just giving it a little bit more of a pop and a little bit more of a rose tone. And I always apply my eyeliner before I do the smoke color, so now I'm going in with Pitch Black Watercolor Eyeliner. Use the eyeliner brush, dampen the brush, and make sure you have a shoe polish type texture on the back of your hand. Now that I have on my pitch black liner, I move over to the smoke color, which is called Raisin Hell. With the smoke brush, I'm going over the pitch black liner and diffusing the line. This whole look looks really pretty on someone who has fair skin, dark or light features. I would not recommend Worth Every Peony on someone who has a medium to dark or dark skin tone. I haven't cleaned up under my eye, but look how pretty it is with Raisin Hell. And even for a makeup artist who's nearly perfect. When you're working with a really dark color like Raisin Hell, you're going to have some drop off. Just use your little concealer setting powder brush, dust off any dark shadow that fell, or get a Q-tip with eye moisturizer and do a good cleanup if it's really messy. But always make sure you go back to your concealer with the concealer brush and do like a little clean swipe up towards the end of the eyebrow to sharpen up the edge of the shadow. Before I blend, look at the difference. Then I press it in, and look at the difference between the two eyes. This is one thing a lot of you ladies are missing, is the cleanup afterwards, but you can see the importance of cleaning up with concealer after you've applied your eyeshadow. Then you curl your lashes and apply mascara. And there you have it. There's the whole look.